how to create a playlist on Dacast. Hello friends, hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can create a playlist on Dacast. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Dacast account, just like I have done here. So once you're logged in, you will be brought to your own page, right, on your dashboard, where you can see different plans available and the rest of that. So the next step is to move to the left side of the screen, where you can see some icons such as dashboard, live streams, videos, folders, expos, playlists, etc. So just go ahead to select playlists since you are trying to create a playlist. So once you're on the playlist page, you would have seen the notification which is asking you to create your first playlist. So you can select from your uploaded videos, you can share with your audience. All right, so just click on create, and then you have to give your playlist a title. So let's say the playlist for me, the title is weekend. This is just an example. Then click on create. All right, and then you wait for a page to load, and then your playlist will be created automatically. So now that your playlist has been created, you can now go ahead to add videos to this playlist of yours. So you add videos that fall into the title of the playlist. Okay, you can see them here. So you can now go down, move to the bottom left corner of the screen, click on save, and then your playlist will be saved. But majorly you have to ensure that you've uploaded videos, you've added videos to this particular playlist that you created, and then it will be more effective that way. So this is it. All right, so if you're wondering how you can create a playlist, I'm sure this has answered your question. So go ahead and try it out. Okay, thank you for watching and have a good day.